Okay, so we are going to begin our first graph. It's in function notation. We have f of 4. F of 4. The 4, is that our x or our y?
X.
Which one is it?
X.
X. It's the thing that we plug in for x, right? So when it says f of 4, our 4 is our x. So I'm just going to write that off to the side. This is just saying that x is equal to 4, right? Or if we think about it in an ordered pair, would the 4 be the first number or the second number? The first. This is x comma y. Okay. We need to figure out what our y equals. We need to figure out what our input or our output is. Our input is 4. We need to figure out what our output is for the graph. Okay? So, next thing. We know that x is 4. Can the x values be found on the horizontal axis or the vertical axis?
Horizontal.
Show me with your arm. If you don't know, let's look. You think it's going to be on this one or this one?
Oh.
Horizontal, right? Because it's labeled. If we look, it's labeled right here that this is the x-axis. So our x equals 4. We need to find our 4 on the x-axis. So go ahead and find the 4, and I want you to circle it. Okay. At this point, our x equals 4. We're going to input it into our function, which just means we're either going to go up or we're going to go down. We are trying to run into the graph. So if I'm at 4, do I need to go up or down to touch the graph? Up. So what you're going to do is draw a line until you hit the graph. And our output is going to be our y value. So is that going to be found on the x or the y-axis? On the y-axis. So once you hit the graph, you're going to go towards the y-axis. Let me see if I can draw a straighter line than that. Then you're going to go towards the y-axis. So when I input 4, what do I get out? 2. Our answer is 2. So if we were to write it as an ordered pair, it'd be 4, 2. However, I'm going to let you know, your Delta math assignment, they only want the number. So you're only going to enter 2. That would be your answer. Okay, 2 is your answer for this. See if you can do the one on the back. See if you can do the one on the back. Remember, I just need the number, whatever y equals. And then I'll come around and check it. If you got it, then I'll tell you good, and you can go on to Delta now. Try again. You need to start. Start on the x-axis. Good. Go on to Delta. Because you didn't run into the graph. This right here does not touch the graph. Yes, go on to Delta. Yes, go on.
I got it. 4.
Right, you're going to go up from -2 until you hit the graph. Okay.
Yeah, probably.
Good, go on to Delta math. Good, go on to Delta math. Good, go on to Delta math.
Not the way.
What is that? It's like a furry. It's a dog. I'll take it for
Good. Okay, let's look up here real quick, you guys. It'll be easier when you can zoom in on Delta Math. Okay. Do I start on the X or the Y axis? The X at what? -2. Am I going to run into the graph if I go up or down? Up. So let's go up. Oh, there, I hit it. And now I need to go towards the y-axis. So my answer here is 4. So when I input -2, I get out 4. 4 is my answer. Go ahead and get on Delta Math. You're going to assignment number 3. You're working on the graphs first. Huh? Yeah, have a pass?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
We did. Some of us did.
I got mine.
I got mine. I think.
Mr. Lai, why didn't you give us our pass?
Okay, you just called me out in front of everybody. Thank you. Did I get my pass? Are they on my desk? Distinct possibility. I got just a little bit that you called me out in front of everybody, but it's fine. Yeah, good job.
Down, Simone.
Don't give me one more.
My dad hurt my jaw.
Johnny, is it
I don't know.
8,
Hold on.
10,
I'm not
10?
seeing.
Why? Yeah.
Okay, come get your pass.
Yay.
Oh, negative.
You want to get one more?
Thank you.
There's no way you can use that.
You're on assignment number 3, Delta Math, doing the graph ones. You can zoom in. Sometimes it looks a little bit tricky. I just want to come around and make sure that you guys got it. And then go to the next one. Awesome. Can you do this in another pattern? Yeah, no. Yeah, yeah. That's okay.
I
You
was
just-
doing it with